Let me bring you our top story from West Bengal. Sad state of affairs. A state government doctor who was diagnosed with COVID-19 passed away in a private hospital in the city on Sunday. Dr. Biplab Dasgupta, who was in charge of the Central Medical Store Wing of West Bengal Government's Health and Family Welfare Department, died in the early hours of Sunday morning at a private nursing home. His wife has also tested positive for the virus. Let me go over to my colleague Mamata Banerjee for more on that. Mamata, isn't it ironic that he was a government doctor, yet when he had to be treated for COVID-19, he had to go to a private hospital?
Well, Rika, I'm not sure that is so completely, startling at this time, because all these hospitals, the private ones too, have been turned into COVID-19 hospitals. Emory in Salt Lake is one of them. Apollo is the other. And every private hospital in the city today, at least the major ones, does have or is supposed to have an isolation ward to treat COVID-19 patients. Perhaps that is why, Mr. Dasgupta had to be accommodated at Emory. We are not clear why that is so, or if there is a specific reason. Perhaps he lived in the area and so on. But yes, indeed, he is the first doctor in West Bengal to have passed away, and that has, sent out a different kind of shockwave across the state. Doctors are hugely concerned, health professionals are hugely concerned, and of course there is a growing realization if, doctors fall ill and pass away, then the whole system is in jeopardy. Dr. Biplab Dasgupta, however, was not actively in a hospital. He was working at the Central Medical Store, which is at Moulali. It's a separate entity, a separate building. I'm sure there is contact tracing going on over there to see who he may have contracted the COVID-19 virus from and who he may have passed it on to without knowing. We know for a fact that his wife has tested positive. It has caused huge concern in the state. The Chief Minister herself condoling his death today and urging health warriors to be more careful. The Forum of Doctors, the Doctors Forum, it has also put out a condolence message, but raised the point that health professionals must have adequate PPE, and health workers, the technicians, the staff, they need much more training so that they can keep themselves safe. Important, urgent request by the Doctors Forum, which the government has been asked to respond to at the earliest. Most regrettable, the 60-year-old gentleman, he was a very senior member of the health department. His passing has sent out shockwaves in the Department of Health.
Right. Thank you very much, Mamata, for joining us with that story. Mamata Banerjee, the state chief minister, also tweeted condolences to Dr. Dasgupta's family.